welcome to Create the Look. I'm Margaret, a hairstylist based in Houston, Texas. I'm here today with my beautiful client, Melissa. So today we're going to create another fabulous Microlinks makeover. The thing I love about Microlinks, guys, is the versatility that you can offer your clients, okay? So we are going to create a sombre, beautiful sombre look. As stylists, we need to be able to solve our clients' issues and work with their hair. So Melissa has been wearing a lot of wigs, and so her edges are a little scarce. So I'm going to do my best today using the wefted Microlinks technique look to create the look for her, which is a sombre, beautiful, flowy, very natural install. I did consult with her about her edges and let her know that they're a little scarce. So to create that look with the Microlinks, guys, I'm going to have to work with her hairline. So I'm going to work with the natural flow and density with her hairline. During my consultation, I already let her know that, okay? So it's very important to manage your client's expectation. But it's still gonna look super fab. It's going to be a transformation. This is her before. Stay tuned for the after. So guys, after you have done the silk press, next it's time to prep the actual extensions hair. So that's what I'm doing right now. I'm blow drying it depending on the texture of hair you use. I use my Max Pack Virgin Hair deep curly hair, so I needed to blow dry it first and flat iron it. It's easier to see the density of the hair when it's in a straighter state, so that's why you want to flat iron it and do all your prep work before you put the links on, because you don't want to be tugging at the links. So it's important to put that on before. So this is a wefted method I'm using. I don't use any thread, I don't use any braids, any glue or adhesive. It's just some tiny micro cylinder in the weft that I add hair to her hair, interspersed in between her natural hair for maximum flatness. This is a super natural look, guys. So typically I use about a bundle and a half to 2 bundles, no more than 2 bundles. You don't want it to look sewing-ish and just like unbelievable. This is a natural install. And the key to this, guys, is you want to go with the person's natural hairline. So like I said before, her hair is a little scarce on the sides, and so I'm definitely honoring that and paying attention to that as I go. And then you want to, after you've installed, then you cut. I don't put a lot of layering here because her hair is out, so I don't want to cut into her natural hair. So what I do is I put a lot of layers and stuff in the front and the sides. And then I do a soft notching technique to create my perimeter, which is just a soft look, nothing too blunt or hard unless that's what the client wants. And then, bada bing, bada boom, she has a natural, beautiful install. And as you can see, the hair is super natural. You see the little ombre looking color. You can add as much color or as little color as you want. This is a customized look, guys. You can create whatever your client whatever your client wants and give them the hair of their dreams. Thank you guys so much for watching. Be sure to subscribe for more videos like this and so much more.